Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain American Express Gold Card Lounge Access. It's important to know that the American Express Gold Card, in the United States, does not provide complimentary airport lounge access. While this card offers fantastic rewards for everyday spending, lounge access is not one of its direct benefits. If airport lounges are a priority for your travels, you will need to consider other American Express card options, which we will discuss shortly. The Gold Card truly shines in other areas. While the Gold Card doesn't offer lounge access, its core benefits are incredibly valuable for daily spending. You can earn an impressive 4 membership rewards points per dollar on dining at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery. Plus, you'll get 4 points per dollar at U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 in purchases each year. The card also provides a monthly $10 dining credit and a monthly $10 Uber cash credit, adding up to significant savings annually. For those prioritizing airport lounge access, several other American Express cards are excellent choices. The Platinum Card, for instance, grants access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, including Centurion Lounges, Priority Pass Select, and Delta Sky Clubs when flying Delta. The Business Platinum Card offers similar comprehensive lounge benefits for business owners. Additionally, the exclusive Centurion Card provides unparalleled lounge access and other luxury travel perks, making these cards ideal for frequent flyers. When deciding on an American Express card, it's crucial to align the benefits with your spending and travel habits. If you frequently dine out and buy groceries, the Gold Card's generous rewards in these categories are hard to beat. However, if airport lounge access is a top priority for your travel experience, a card like the Platinum Card would be a better fit. Always compare the annual fees against the value you expect to receive from the card's benefits to make the best choice for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.